Do your remix. Hit the bell.
Mom, maybe when it's spring I could do that.
Or you can do it in the winter.
That's
You have the Halloween section again.
Yeah, don't do the creepy ones. Don't do the creepy ones.
Do the bottom middle.
this one.
Yep. Oh, that's not the right one. Next page, I guess.
That sounded like Santa.
It was.
It is.
No.
A hawk?
That's Raven.
A raven. Piano. Scary.
An ooga horn.